Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up your TP-Link router as a Wi-Fi extender to boost your signal. Let's get started. First, plug in your TP-Link router near your main Wi-Fi router and turn it on. Now connect your computer or phone to the TP-Link router using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Open your browser and go to http://tplinkwifi.net. Log in using the default username and password, which is usually admin for both. Once you're logged in, go to the wireless settings or look for operation mode in the menu. Now change the mode from wireless router to range extender or repeater mode. The name might vary depending on your router model. Click Save and let the router reboot. Next, go to the Wireless Settings tab again and click Survey to scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Find your main Wi-Fi network from the list and click Connect. Enter your main Wi-Fi password and then click Save. After saving, your TP-Link router will restart and connect to your main router as an extender. Now unplug it and place it somewhere between your main router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. Just make sure it still gets a stable signal. And that's it. You've successfully set up your TP-Link router as a Wi-Fi extender. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.